Part 2 of our video from Burtonsville, Maryland, again right by Laurel, Maryland. This room is the tool and equipment room. Look, tube testing stations, oscilloscopes, signal generators, digital signal generators, VU meters, volt-ohm meters, meter maids, everything, every kind of meter. Wait till you see this place. It's just stuffed with stuff. It's a picker's and searcher's paradise. All kinds of stuff hiding around here. That's actually a table saw. And bicycles. Those are some classic Schwinn and other bicycles in very good condition. If you know your bicycles, you're going to like these. Come take a look. Here's the other half of the electronics display. That's Carver equipment. There's some great shortwave stuff. Some more tube stuff, some more tube preamps. That's a Carver digital tuner, Carver power amp. That's a Gemini equalizer. All kinds of stuff. Tools. Need a self-propelled Toro 6.5. Need a power blower, any kind of hand or power tool. This place is really loaded. You have to come and see it. Again, address to be announced on Thursday. Sale is to be the 14th, 15th, and 16th. More stuff here than we can even get in. Oh, here's more car audio. Oh my God. Macintosh computers, car audio equipment, Sony tower speakers, Bang & Olufsen turntable back there, Charles chips, and more power tools. So again, this is Steve from EstateMAX saying we'll see you Friday, 14th, 10 a.m. for best selection. First come, first served. Nothing's held aside. Yes, that's a trolling motor. Pretty bizarre. So look to estatesales.net, estatesales.com for our full ad, including these videos, and for information on the address of the sale. We'll also be on Facebook on our EstateMAX Facebook page.